It's time for the $5 Goodwill Challenge, and I found the cutest little item to decorate my home. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am participating in the $5 Spring Goodwill Challenge. This challenge is hosted annually by Hillary and Old World Home. And what you have to do is go to the Goodwill or a similar thrift store and find an item for $5 or less to decorate your home. And this time that we were supposed to decorate our home for spring. And I really don't typically like to use a lot of things to decorate. I just don't put out a lot of decorations because then you have to dust around them and then you have to put them all back. So other than Christmas time, I don't typically get out a lot of stuff. But I did want to participate in the challenge, and I did want to find something that just said spring and Easter, but that wasn't too big or too obvious, but just something that was cute. So I went shopping at the Goodwill and I found this little planter. Isn't this adorable? Now, the planter did not have the flowers in it. It was just the planter by itself. And if you take a look at it here, the handles are ears. I mean, it is just so cute. And I thought it would be perfect. And I was thinking that I wanted something for my entryway. Just something that when the people first walked in the house, they could see this item, they would think spring, they would think Easter, but it was also something simple enough that I could put it away once the season was over without any problem. Or if I chose to leave it out, I could. And I found this. And it's just so cute. I mean, you can just see the face of the bunny here on this little planter, and then those little ears. And I thought this was cute enough actually just sit on the table by itself. But I wanted to put some spring flowers in it, so that's what I did. Now the flowers I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and they were $1 for each little stem, and there are 2 stems in this particular arrangement, and this is where it's going to live. Let me show you. Right here in the entryway. It's going to live right here in the entryway. So the minute you walk in the front door, you will see it sitting right there. And the other thing I did was I moved a lamp that I had in another area over here on the table because I like the beige of the lampshade and the greenery of the little dancing frogs behind this particular little arrangement. I am just loving it. And then below that, I added some little bunnies, some little Easter bunnies that I picked up last year at Tuesday Morning or Hobby Lobby or Pier 1. I'm not sure where I got those, but I thought they would look nice on that second shelf right there on that little telephone table. So there you have it. I hope you like my little bit of spring decor and Easter decor that I picked up at the Goodwill. I am really pleased with what I was able to find. And I'm sorry that I didn't think to take my camera with me when I went shopping, because I usually do. But the day that I stopped by, I hadn't really planned to stop at the Goodwill. I was on my way home from somewhere else, and my car just kind of turned into the Goodwill parking lot all by itself. So, I mastered the challenge. This little planter was only $3.99. But let me show you something else I found. I could not resist it. I was on a mission to find home decor, and I did find it, but I also found this. Let me show you. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous terrine or casserole dish or whatever. But it's that kind of like a winter white or ivory. Lid comes off and on, and it's perfect for putting like big pots of soup or beans or chili, or something like that in it. And when I saw it, I was planning on having a gathering of women come over in the next few days, and I thought this would be perfect to put chili in. So I've got it, and who knows, maybe I'll use it to decorate my kitchen. I'm just loving white kitchen items right now. So now here's my question for you. What item have you picked up at the Goodwill lately that you just could not resist? You went with one idea in mind and found something that was just calling your name. Tell me about it in the comment section below. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years. So if you want to learn more about cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, then subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.